Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss that how we can create planners for daily basis, daily planner, monthly planner, weekly planner, yearly planner, and you can create different kinds of planners. For this you can log in. You need to log in your Canva account and go to business. Click on business. You can have different things here and scroll down. Here you can click on planner. It will open up, and in this way different kinds of planners open up: weekly planners, yearly planners, daily planners, check contact list, and many things. I want to create a daily planner. Click on it, customize this template. You can create a planner for your own choice, for your on the demand, and you can create a planner of your own choice too. For example, you can change its text, its color. You want to click on and change its color, its text, font size. Daily planner. You can also change the color of these boxes. For example, click on it, click on color, change its color. In this way its color will be changed. Click on it, change its color, click on it, change its color, click on it, change its color. In this way you can change its colors. Goal for today: its color or size you can change it also. Click on it and change it. This is goal for today. You can move it up and down. Urgent, you can give it white color. Checklist, you can give it different color. Appointment, you can assign it very different color. So in this way you can change. You can also change the background of that planner. If you have any image, you can use that image in the background. For example, I want to use this image in the background, so you need to select it and send it to the backward. Send backward, send back. Here you can see that this kind of daily planner is here, and you can use it for different kind of activities. If you want to extend it to the other page, you can use the other page and copy it and place it to the other page. You can use this planner in the same way on the other page. Control Z. You can pay different pages to extend your daily planner. You can also create a weekly planner, monthly planner, yearly planner, 5-year planner, and different kinds of planners you can create. And you can move it up and down. In this way you can create daily planners and different kinds of planners for your job, for your requirements, and you can create this kind of beautiful planner and sell these planners online and on the online marketplaces: Upwork, Fiverr, Guru.com, freelancer.com, and different marketplaces like Etsy, Walmart and many others. So this is a very important thing. You need to learn it and implement it to earn money online. Thank you so much for watching this video.